All right, y'all, it's over with. It officially happened. We had the official release, sneakers release of the Nike Jordan SB4 in the navy colorway, but it didn't happen the way that we thought. We thought we was gonna get exclusive access at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we ended up getting a scratch off type vibe thing. But the crazy thing is, I didn't see it anywhere on my feed, so I wasn't able to enter, but I did see a lot of people say that they got them. Please comment down below and let me know if you got them. Allegedly, 52,000 pairs was there, so salute to everybody that was able to hit. I'm currently headed to Orlando to pick up my pair from the trophy room. So shout out to trophy room for the dub for your boy. Of course, I'm gonna unbox these things. Hey, but make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's go pick up these shoes. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I'm up in trophy room. Y'all see right here, still, I figured I'd go ahead and unraffle them. Hey, that's dope right there. You feel me? Really, really dope vibe here in here. So, as you guys can see right here, we do have the bag. Trophy room bag is what it comes in. We have the sneakers right here. Go ahead and take them out and show you guys real quick. Do a quick unboxing. I'll do a legitimate unboxing, you know, for the channel or whatever, but y'all see the SB box. It's going to look like this. Great Jumpman logo with the flight right there. Here's the size tag. Pause the video if you want a legit check. As always, size 11.5, Summit white navy. Y'all see that Nike SB right there. We're gonna go ahead and open up this box right here. Spickle spackle paper right there, and then the shoes are individually wrapped, as you guys can see, one here and one here. And we have the Nike Jordan 4 SB in the navy colorway, man. Super clean sneaker, as you guys can see right here. Back end iconic navy colorway with the Nike SB, what everybody seems to like. Leather quality is pretty good, as you guys can see on this thing. Suede right there, really, really clean. Gun bottom accents on the front. And then on the bottom, red Nike just makes it pop. I really like the way they did that. I'm glad they didn't go full gun bottom. I like the way that's broken down. Mesh knit and that's white on the side. Navy eyelids right there. Bam, bam. White laces, no other laces in it. Toe box leather, as you guys can see right there. Not bad at all. Red Jumpman logo with the blue and flight. White patch. White sock liner. Pull tab again behind the collar of it, as you guys can see, the Air Jordan right there. Super, super plush, man. As you guys can see, super plush behind there. Insole red Nike SB right there. And there go the inside of the sneaker, red Air unit on these things. But like I said, man, y'all comment down below, let me know. What are your thoughts and opinions? How do you guys feel about these? Was these a must cop, man? Let me know below down in the comment section. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and head out of here where y'all can actually hear me, because I know it's kind of loud, and close out this video. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. Like I said, I will be doing a complete unboxing, but I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Comment down below and let me know if you was able to cop these things. And y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these SB4s, bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in this video. Peace.